Hey guys, come with me to ISNTREE'S exclusive event that I went to be amongst the first to experience their latest range of sunscreen products. The event was really amazing. Everything from the decorations, flowers, to the food was excellent, and most importantly, they had a very special guest for the launch of the EuniUnni Newpair sunscreen, which is finally pre-launching today after 2 years of preparation collab with Cassandra Bankson. So I finally got to meet her at the event.
Of course, I have the newly launched product from ISNTREE. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
The Purple Protector is made with Muon onion. It's made with vitamin K, which you don't often see in skincare. It's made with niacinamide, with panthenol, and it's made for oily, acne-prone skin. But the most exciting part is that it's purple, and it blends out completely sheer on all skin tones, so that you can see where you've applied it, and you can apply enough. So this is a perfect for reapplication, for acne-prone, oily skin, and for you.
I know it suits me so well, and I'm just so happy. I can't believe you're here. I'm so happy.
So make sure to be the first ones to get your hands on this new arrival with their pre-launch. I'll leave all the details in the description below.